Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to review the rest of the Alphalete stuff that managed to come in. So I have two of the three packages that I was mentioning that managed to come in recently. So it's mostly the Alphalux leggings and bras, and then just a few other things that I managed to get, just to hit the free shipping as well. That's an excuse. But anyway, so let's get to the reviews. Okay, so these are the bras for the Alphalux Tri bras. I think they're supposedly softer than the others, like the Amplify line and the Surface line. So this is Trooper. So it's a little bit like a bluish gray tone. And then here we have Eternal Rose. You can see here, it's more like a dusty-ish rose pink, and here we have the normal black ones, but the special thing about this one apparently is the gold label at the back here. You can see it. So they feel nice, and I like the design at the back, and they have padding. I got this in all three sizes, all three colors, the size XS. Here we have the leggings, so this is the black, Eternal Rose, and Trooper. They all feel really nice and soft. I'll show you the back. So this is the back of the leggings. For the black one, it's the black and gold one. So it's the same as the bra, where they have the rubbery kind of embossed Alphalete logo, and it says here on the black one that says Alphalux at the bottom under the gold. So that's here, right? That's the one here. And the difference between this and the Amplify is the Amplify has a scrunch butt, and this one doesn't have a scrunch. It just has the seam going down with the V here, so that it helps to give some sort of shape but not too obvious, if that's what you like. Okay, so here I have the black and gold one on, the bra and the leggings. So the bra and the leggings are both in size XS. I would say the bra is definitely for low impact, because like it's not very, how do you say, it's not very tight, and it doesn't really feel very compressive. So especially with ladies with bigger chests, I don't think this would be a good one, especially for high impact for you. Because for me, I'm really small chested, so this is actually not too bad. I like the fact that it has the design here, which is the line, the three lines right in the center. That's why I think they call it the Tri bra. It's similar to I think Navigation's Trio bra, but except that one is a bit thicker. So I like that it's thin straps. So yeah, and you can see the black logo here. So yeah, definitely low impact bra, but nevertheless still very comfortable. My bust is a 32-inch bust, and for the leggings XS, it feels good. It's soft, compressive, I would say stretchy, but not the kind that you can not like the same style as the Lululemon's Align, but soft and stretchy enough. As for the squat test, let's try this. I would say this is definitely more squat proof than the Amplify. Maybe because the Amplify is also a bit more stretchy, that's why the material becomes more sheer as you squat. But this is definitely squat proof. And you can see here that the line down the middle helps to give a little bit of a shape, but obviously not as much as a scrunch butt. And yeah, so overall I think this is pretty nice and comfortable, and definitely better for doing all your squats and exercises that have you bending over a lot. And here we have the color Trooper, the same design with the white label at the back here and here, and the V seam down. I like this color because it's not the kind of bright color, but neither is it too dark. It's really interesting because I don't really have any other color workout outfits like this. And so it feels the same as the black ones, but maybe a little bit more stretchy to me. And I forgot to mention the length for this one is I wouldn't say long or short, it's just nice for me. I'm about 167 to 168 cm, and it reaches my ankles, if you can see over here. So it's pretty good, and it's high-waisted, no camel toe, which is also very good for me. And this one is also pretty squat proof, so let's see this. So yeah, I can see that it's pretty squat proof here, which is good. So yeah, I really like it. It's a very comfortable fit. It's not too tight and it's not too loose for me. Here we have Eternal Rose, a really nice rose color. It's not too pink, neither is it too dark. It's really a just nice shade of rose. And the same here with the design. 3 lines down the middle with the Alphalete Alphalux embossed here and here with the seams, the V seam down. High-waisted, no camel toe, and a really just nice length for me. And squat proof, it's pretty squat proof as well. Let's see here. Yeah, so I would say this actually is pretty comfortable, and it's a little bit different from the Amplify line. Obviously, it doesn't have the compressive band here, so it doesn't really cinch your waist as much, but it is a comfortable tightness to it. It's not too tight, it's not loose either. I would say like it's really nice if you want to do like yoga and other things like that, but actually you can just use it for anything. It's really comfortable, even if you just want to lounge around. But I would say it's pretty good for any kind of workout. It's pretty stretchy and it's high-waisted, so you don't have to worry about, you know, the extra bits falling out. And yes, so I would say this is a nice color. I like that they had so many different choices for colors, and which is why I bought so many. So overall, I think the Alphalux is not bad. I actually like it a lot. It's very comfortable. Price wise, I would say it's a little bit more on the pricier end, but it's not as expensive as Lululemon's. With the discount, I think it's actually worth getting, but without the discount, I think it's a little bit too pricey, because there are actually about same style bras around that actually cost a little bit cheaper and give you just the same comfort and design. So just think about it, but definitely nice with the discount. So yeah, let's go on to the other items that I got. So this is the Ultrasoft Thrive Tank in black, size S. I think I actually could go down one size, but they didn't have any more of the XS. The armholes are pretty big here, so an XS would maybe make it less huge, less you know, gaping over here. But you know, with the sports bra, so usually it's not too bad. And my boobs are not big enough for it to spill out, so I'm safe. But overall, I really like it because it's really soft and comfortable and very stretchy. You can do a lot of exercises in this. And yeah. So as I mentioned earlier, that I really like the Ultrasoft long sleeve Apex top. I got another one in Sage this time round. The previous color was Nova Blue. And I'm not going to try it on because if you want to see the fit, it should be watching the last video. But this one is the same size. I got this in a size S, and like I mentioned in the previous video, I could have gone down to a size XS, but it doesn't really matter that much because I think it was like, how do you say, tight enough. It's not too loose. but also I didn't need it to be that tight, so it depends on your preference. But this is the sage color, the same design with the apex middle and the Alphalete logo at the back here. And over here I got in another oversized long sleeve crop top. This time in the the size is still the same. It's still size S, and the color is in cargo. I like the oversized feel, and the material is actually quite soft as well. I think this is the older design, that's why it was on sale as well. But the logo is on the left here, Alphalete in white. Yeah, so it's just a very nice, comfortable, oversized top. If you like to see the look, go watch the old video. The second to last item that I got is the joggers, the Varsity joggers in size M. I think I actually should have gotten an S, but I wanted a more oversized feel and look. I'm not too sure if it's gonna be too big because it kind of looks huge on the waist, so we'll just try it out. Okay, so these are the Varsity joggers in stone grey size M, and as I said before, I'm usually a size 26 inch, and so far most of the leggings I got them in XS for the Alphalux. As for the amplifier, I got a size S to prevent the sheerness and squat proofness, but I mean it was still kind of sheer. Anyway, so this is a size M. I think I definitely could have gone with an S even with the baggy look, because this is really big. But they do have this drawstring here that you can help to tighten the waist up with the clasp, the plastic clasp here. So if I did this, it's definitely tightened up. Oh, wait. Okay, it doesn't hold very well. So you can see this, I'm clasping it here. But when I do this, it just comes off really easily. It doesn't really grip it properly. So something you want to think about if you're getting one size larger. They didn't have a size S anymore for the stone grey, and they only had the M left, probably because it was on sale. But it's okay. I don't really like to work out in joggers anyway, so it wouldn't be an issue if this thing kept slipping out. I like the fact that with the M, it's really oversized, that you can see how baggy it is for me. And I usually have problems trying to get something to look baggy that fits my waist at the same time because of the thighs, so this is the one issue. Anyway, it's really comfortable. It's pretty long because, you know, size M, and it's extremely large for the waist. So if you scrunch it up here, you will have a little bit of a bulge here. So you might want to think about it before trying to get one size larger than you should. They have the logo here, the patch, the iron-on patch here. Ooh, I think there's a little stain. If you can see here, there's a little stain on the patch. It's brown. And they have pockets on both sides and a line, 2 lines down the side. And the inside is really soft as well. It's like brushed fleece, so it is thicker and it will keep you kind of warm, especially now in winter time. But yeah, I mean, I like it because it's soft and comfortable, and I can just lounge in this. I won't probably work out in this at all. It's more of a loungy pants. But yeah. So this is the Surface headband in the color Hazelwood. It's one of the older, I think, releases. They have the new release with the newer colors, but this one is the old one. I think it was 20% off, so it was about £8. But yeah, I mean, it's good for me because right now I have a lot of baby hair all over my face, and whenever I work out or run, it always comes down and it's very annoying. So So this is how the headband looks like on my head. It really does keep the hair back, the baby hairs back. Not sure how it really do when I'm running, but so far it feels like it will stay and does have like a probably sweat wicking ability, so it'll stop the sweat from riding down your face. It doesn't feel very loose, but we'll have to see how it goes when you actually work out with this. You might need to put some bobby pins in there to keep it in place. But so far you can see it's not really slipping off my head, and it looks kind of cute. I do like this color. I think this color is easy to match. So that's it for my second video on Alphalete, mostly for the Alphalux line. And I hope these videos have helped you with buying stuff from Alphalete. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below.